If you decide to check the list of objects or assets of a scene, we use Scene Manager. Scene Manager with different categories shows us what we have in the scene. For instance, in characters category we have 3 characters. If you keep the control key and then click on the character, then I can hide or unhide the character. Please notice that once the character is hidden, there is a green frame over the character, and this way we can easily hide and unhide characters. Similar, we can do the same with the environment. As you see, we have 3 environment objects. And in object categories, we have 5 objects. Some would prefer to keep this Scene Manager in the smaller size and keep it in the display, so it's easy for them to access. And in order to easily see all the items in the Scene Manager, we can easily play with zoom and then zoom in or zoom out in order to have all the objects included in the scene. In addition to hide and unhide the objects, if we keep Alt button and then click on the character, then we freeze the controllers. And then we can easily decide what to be selected and what not. So Alt button can freeze the character. There are 3 boats in this scene and 3 characters. Each of these 3 characters can be linked to their boat using Apply Link Constraint button. Another question is, how can we check which boat is related to which character? Then we can change the type to links, and then we see whatever is linked to objects. For instance, the first link is a link between this boat and this character. And if we click on the headline, then we can hide and unhide them both. Therefore, we can easily see here whatever which are linked together. There is another type called collection, and there is no collection here, but if we choose one of the collections we have previously saved from the Asset Manager, then in the Scene Manager this collection will be added. Then we can add another collection in order to compare 2 collections. Therefore, we can, using type, see what we have in the scene, like characters. Yeah, and if we click on characters, then we can hide and unhide all the characters, environments and objects, and so on. Or check the links we have and see what objects are linked. For instance, this object is linked to this object, to the face. So we can see this link over here. Also, sometimes it's possible that the links are more than one link between two objects. Therefore, now this object is linked to the head of this character. So in the links of this character, there are 3 items.